Hello, students. How are you all? My new canvas. This is your literature book. We've already dealt with two topics, chapter 1 and chapter 2, and now it is turn for chapter number 3. So, today we'll start chapter number 3. This is such an interesting topic, and you will get to know very fascinating and interesting facts about the sea creatures. The name of the chapter is Turning the Tide. Turning the tide means reverse the trend of events. This is a phrase. Some change from a previously stable course of time. So, in this chapter, we'll read about a sea creature named Olive Ridley turtle. See here the picture, Olive Ridley turtle. Written by Karthik Shankar. I would like to tell you that this is an extract from Karthik Shankar's book, From Soup to Superstar, where he lifts the veil of mystery surrounding the lives of sea turtles and describes the course of a sea turtle conservation along the Indian coast. You all know that sea turtles spend most of their lives at sea, below the waves and out of human sight. Turning the tide. So, let's read this chapter line by line. Imagine yourself on a beach in Orissa in winter. Author is asking you to imagine yourself on a beach when the season is of winter in Orissa. Moonlight glistens and is reflected. Glistens means sparkle, glitter. The moonlight is sparkling and glittering, which is reflected not of the sand or water but of the weight backs of 1,000 turtles. When the moonlight falls on the weight backs of the turtles, it reflects back, giving a glittering and sparkling effect. Each Olive Ridley's turtle, 2 feet long and weighing about 50 kilograms, has dragged itself up the beach to dig a nest and lay eggs, as all sea turtles do. Olive Ridley turtles are medium-sized species of sea turtles, commonly found in the Indian and the Pacific Oceans. They are generally 2 feet long and they weigh about 50 kilograms. When it comes to lay eggs, they came to beach. They come up to beach and dig a nest thereon. Unlike other sea turtles, though Ridleys indulge in an annual ritual known as the Arribada, which means arrival in Spanish. Arribada is a ritual name. It is a Spanish word, means arrival. Tens of thousands come shore at the same time to lay their eggs. Such a huge number, tens of thousands, came same time to lay their eggs. This amazing natural phenomenon may disappear one day unless we are able to do something about the hazards that threaten these turtles' very existence. Phenomenon means a fact or situation that is observed, seen, or experienced to happen. What? A fact or situation that is observed, seen, or experienced to happen. This is called phenomenon. So, this is natural phenomenon which may disappear. Why? Why it will disappear? Because of the hazards that threaten this turtle's existence. Sea turtles are magical animals. Yes, they are magical animals. They are very mystifying. You all know the meaning of mystifying. Mystifying means I can say it's about puzzling type. Puzzling. Why? Because of our ignorance about them. They appear but briefly on land to lay eggs. They appear but for a very short period of time. When they appear on land when they have to lay their eggs and spend the rest of their lives wandering the oceans. And after that, they spend the rest of their life moving round the oceans. As hatchlings, they drift with oceanic currents, sometimes traversing the entire Pacific or Atlantic. When they become adults, 10 to 15 years later, they use the Earth's magnetic field to find and lay their eggs on the same beach where they were born. So, wow, this is such an interesting fact. See what is written here? That they travel across the Pacific or Atlantic Ocean. But when they grow adult, when they become adult after 10 or 15 years later, means they choose the same place where they were born. Wow, such an interesting fact we have came to know about this olive ridley turtles. They have done this for millions of years, but today sea turtles are threatened by human activity. Nowadays, they are being threatened by our activities. Ours means by ours, humans' activities. This includes the increasing pollution of the ocean. Yes, nowadays the number of means the pollution is increasing by leaps and bounds. Electric lights on beaches confuse hatchlings and prevent them from finding the ocean after they hatch. Fishing nets have killed thousands, hundreds of thousands of turtles worldwide. Exactly. You all know the fishing nets. These fishing nets have also killed thousands of turtles worldwide. Turtles are air breathers, and when they get accidentally caught in fishing nets, they drown. In Odisha, more than 1 lakh olive ridleys have been killed in trawl fishing nets in the last 10 years. Trawl means to search through a large body of water for a particular thing. The fishing nets are causing troubles for the olive ridley turtles, as when these fishing nets got in water accidentally, many olive ridley turtles get drowned. So for last 10 years, more than 1 lakh olive ridleys have been killed due to these activities. We'll read the next page tomorrow and today I want you all to revise the same, read the chapter again and learn the tough words. Thank you. Have a nice day.